These are the top 5 tips you must know before buying any NFTs. Avoid dead projects by diving into the project and research to know who are the team behind the project and what they have to offer. A good project is as good as having a good team backing it up. The best way to know is to jump on their Discord community to know who they are and what they are doing for the future. The second thing you need to know before buying NFT is to look into the project community. A good project is as good as having a strong community. So make sure you avoid a project with huge follower but zero engagement by checking all their social media engagement for that project. Another thing to know is to select the best blockchain which you want to buy from. As we know, Ethereum is popular in this game but has a high gas fee when filling the transaction for buying and selling, while Polygon as an alternative has a zero gas fee. So select wise. So the last but not the least thing to know before buying any NFT is do not mint any NFT project without proper research, thinking you might flip it at a high price when it's launched on marketplace. Sorry, you might end up losing all your money invested. So the last tip you must know before buying an NFT is to make sure you consult your financial advisor before investing in any crypto space. And if you don't have any, make sure to hit the like button and follow me for more guide. Peace out. Any question or make requests about tutorial or type of video content you want to see on my channel, you can just jump down to my Instagram handle